Sir Jagdish Chandra Bose, the first person to prove that plants also have the ability to feel pain and affection. Jagdish Chandra Bose was an Indian polymath whose research has extensively contributed to the fields of botany, physics, archaeology, and radio science. Bose is considered to be the first modern scientist of India for the recognition he received from the Royal Institution, London, where the most prominent British scientists of those days gathered and discussed their latest discoveries and inventions. He is credited to have laid the foundations of experimental science in India and was a pioneer in the area of microwave optics technology. He designed a galena receiver, which was amongst the earliest examples of a lead sulfide photoconducting device. From a young age, he displayed a keen interest in science and set his eyes on becoming a doctor. But he could not pursue a career in medicine due to some reasons and therefore shifted his focus to research. A very determined and hardworking person, he immersed himself deeply into research and made his findings public for the benefit of scientific development. Along with being a scientist, he was also a talented writer who set the precedence for Bengali science fiction writing.